Today is the same as every other day. We are painting. That's right. But today is a little bit different. Bumper paint texture from Spraywell or J-Well. I'm not quite sure what it's called now, but up in Dudley. This was about 12 quid. And the reason why I'm doing this is because if you didn't watch the last video, or it was maybe 10 minutes ago, I can't remember. The bottom of these bumpers come black and the side skirts are black. But because the front bumper has been painted, it wasn't black. They did a bad job, they didn't do it properly. They just painted it teal. So if you remember, all this side is primed, and what I'm doing now is I'm just doing my first tack coat in this trim, and then when it's gone off, I'll be able then to tape this side off, then I'll be able to prep that side and then paint that side red, and then if I need to go back in with the black to do a good solid line, then I can. But this is what I'm doing. Just doing some light coats. This is textured, by the way, so don't be going, guys, what you doing, mate. It's meant to look like this. Starting to take shape now. Back bumper time. See all the little dots? Don't know if you can pick it up on the camera. But what I'm worried about is if I do the front one and I don't do the back, the black have faded original compared to the new fresh ting. So I've just masked the line up following the original one. And now I'm going to get some sheet, which is in on the other one, mask it up to protect the bumper from the overspray. And then when that's gone off, I will then mask the back again and then start sanding. I'll just follow it, carry on. Remember, like Chuck says, 3 minutes. We've already done it. First one, always light. Always do under there as well. That's my biggest pet hate, is when you miss the bottoms and the sides. I'm going to leave that to go off for 5 minutes. Oh, just look at that. That line is fresh. Not going to lie, I've always been a fan of stripping them down before they get too tacky. I hope you're not steaming up. Just give you a wipe. As I was saying, I'm a fan of demasking before the paint's gone off, because what has happened to me years ago is when I was peeling the paint, when I left it the next day, it took a chunk of the fresh paint off and I was screwing. So for me, I always strip it, but this is the most rewarding bit. And I always pull away from the paint as well. All the waste hurts me to throw it away, but I need it to look good, don't I? Look at that speckle effect. For me, it's just perfect. But what I will do now is, when this has gone off, which I might not be able to do it today, because I might start prepping the wings, because I want to be able to mask this up for when I start prepping that, and then when I paint it, I want a solid red line. That's right, red line down there. But that's probably all I can do on them bumpers. The joys of paint is you just got to leave it to do its magic, eh? But I might get down the wings and I might start sanding and prepping them. Full steam ahead. Oh, it's damn good. Well, that happened. Oh, well, hello. As you can tell, it's been a few hours. Time has rolled on. We had guests. We had pizza. We had fun. I did manage to get some work done though. This wing is now prepped. This wing is now prepped. A lovely Kawasaki green, which is a spare wing, which come with a car. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to prime this. So, but what we're going to do is the normal routine here. You know how it goes. I'm going to panel wipe everything. Relatively clean. Looks like this wing's had a repair in the past. Maybe, not too bad. This wing here now is ready as well. Nice and tidy on the inside. But I'm going to get them ready for primer. Looking good. I think I am mega happy with the way these are coming out. Primer is now done. I am impressed. That's exactly how we need it to be. Tomorrow means more sanding. If we get up early enough, we might be able to paint as well, because these can be painted and sanded, sorry. So once all this bumper trim or whatever it's called has hardened off, I'll be able to mask it up. Then I'll be able to sand the primer on the bumpers, and then be able to sell the primer on defenders, and then we'll be able to put some paint down. Pretty impressed overall. It's been a busy day. Too many people turned up. We've seen Bradders with the Fabbers. He popped down, chatting about his FC for a bit. Josh the Barber's popped down. Come on, man, slacking. Need that fresh trim. Hurry up. Grant popped down for a waffle. I suppose that was it. That's quite good, eh? Say hello. How you doing? Nice to see everybody. Heater is on. Primer is on. It's going off. Soon we'll have to make a start on the door upstairs, and the bonnet. And that'll be it. I am so ready for this to be finished now. I can't be arsed anymore. I'm not going to lie, it's time consuming. With all the sanding, then the priming, then the sanding, then the prep. Cover this back up. Keep it nice and clean. makes it nice and happy. Well, it's already pitch black. It's mega light. I'm going to get the Civic in and I'm going to get my ass home. But that's going to be it for today. I'll catch you all on the next one. If not, I'll catch you in a minute when I paint the other stuff. If not, I'll catch you on the next one. See you in a bit.